Yes. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ? Super. Really? Can you think of a name for this bike? Can you think of a name? Whoa, whoa. किसी ने ये RD 350 का रॉकेट बना दिया है यार, ये देखो. What the hell? Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. First off, I want to start off by saying I'm really sorry because I've been so irregular on YouTube. I'm trying. I will go looking with my magnifying glass and find you such mad cool builds. Now let's talk about this one. आज जो मैं चला रही हूँ, it doesn't just look like a rocket, it also freaking sounds like one. And more than anything, it rides like one. This is Mad Spec from Skin Deep Customs in Bengaluru, and it's a flat out drag bike. It's also an RD 350. A lot of people have been thinking, RX hai kya? Royal Enfield hai kya? Nahi yaar, this is an RD 350. And I'm going to tell you all about it. So stick around. Okay, who knows Telugu over here? How do I say कैसी लगी? ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಬೈಕ್?
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತರ
ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತರನಾ? We going. That's not the only thing that makes this motorcycle an ajuba. It's the bloody engine. Come check this out. तो नॉर्मली मोटरसाइकिल्स पे आपका एग्जॉस्ट ऐसे आ जाता है ना? पर यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो, the exhausts are coming out from where the carburetors usually come out. So what Senthil has done is that he's reversed the bore, and now the carburetors on the front and the exhausts are in the back. And how he's made this whole thing work is absolutely nuts to me, but he has. And this doesn't just make this look really, really mad, but this bike really goes very, very fast. This one can do 180 kph on a quarter-mile drag strip, which is insane.
3, 2, 1.
Anyway, there's lots more he's done on this bike, so I'm going to go get him only to explain. Senthil! Arey, what's up?
Hi.
Okay, so Senthil, please tell me what all. I've already explained this whole reversing the bore nuttiness that you've done on this bike and actually achieved it, and it's all not only working, it's going way faster.
Yeah.
It's going like nuts. Explain to me what else you've done on this motorcycle to make it look this way and also to make it perform this way.
So for Indian bikes, basically you need to reduce the weight. The power to weight ratio is what we need to play with more than the engine. The engine has a lot of mods to it, but what would have been a 147 kilogram bike is now a 98 kilogram bike.
That's like 50 kgs lighter.
Yeah, 50 kgs lighter. That makes it that much more faster.
Right. What
That-
else? Like, just take me through this
So
whole.
everything that you see has been handmade, like the silencers, the seat plates, the seat that we see, and the 3-liter tank, because that is all the petrol that you need for a quarter mile.
Oh
You do-
man, that's just 3
3 liters, yeah, the 3-liter tank, and a lot of aerodynamic to cut the air.
Wow. Okay, and this is also handmade, hand built.
No, it's available for drag spec mods.
Okay. Okay. But how have you made this a whole 50 kgs lighter?
It all starts from the front end, that is the wheels. These are not the standard wheels that come with the bike or the forks that come with the bike. This entire set is of a very lightweight motorcycle of a 100cc category.
Oh.
So that brings down the weight ratio right from the start to the entire aerodynamic look that we have going on here.
Okay.
Into the tank, that is a very short capacity of the tank, the engine and the entire overall to deflect all the wind away from the right.
What made you come up with this idea? Like, why did you want to do this with an engine? Why did you want to turn the bore around and do this nuttiness? Why did you?
It actually happened because of my mechanic seeing how varied I go with designs. He wanted to show his skill in how varied he can actually make the engine, because that is his forte. So he said that I'll make this engine work in reverse. I said, like, how is that even possible? So it started off that way.
Crazy, man, crazy. Can you give me a basic idea of what kind of costs you've incurred in this project?
I guess I should be looking at something in the range of 2.5, 3.
Okay, that's not bad at all.
Yeah,
For what all? For how? Punk eh? Mad Max, like someone said when they were going.
Take something out of Mad Max.
Mad Max, let's go with Mad Max. This thing looks, it's damn cool. But yeah, thank you. So essentially, this is not the cost. I mean, the cost of modding it is 3 lakh, right? And the bike now is in the market anywhere between 6 and 7 lakhs, right?
6 lakhs, 7 lakhs.
So that's like a good 10 lakhs.
Approx.
Oh man, that's killing it. Okay. Anyway, thanks so much, Senthil. I really had a blast riding this thing today. It's so cool that it takes you back in time, but then there's like a futuristic angle to it
Yeah,
as well.
because of
So
the speed.
yeah, you're like, and because of the look, and there's like 2 rockets shooting out of your bum. Oh, river. What's up, river? Oh, river. Huh. Anyway, so thank you. I'll see you soon
See you.
with Meghna's Biryani. All my Bangalore peeps know how much I love Meghna's. Okay guys, what do you think of this build? Please tell me in comments, and you need to subscribe because we need to hit 1 million like real quick. Okay, we're 1.6 million on Instagram. तुम लोग YouTube में क्या कर रहे हो? I know it's my fault. I'm not regular. I will try better. Okay, please, don't come trolling me and all. I'm sorry. And don't forget to share this with your friends because it's a really rad build. And subscribe, share, like in that order. See ya.